In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore previous session tabs in Firefox after crash or accidental close. If you've ever had Firefox close unexpectedly or accidentally shut down the browser while multiple tabs were open, you know how frustrating it can be to lose your work. Fortunately, Firefox includes a built-in feature that can automatically restore your previously opened windows and tabs the next time you launch the browser. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable this setting so your browsing session can be recovered more easily in the future. This feature is especially useful if you regularly work with multiple tabs open at the same time. Whether you're researching information, managing projects, shopping online, or simply keeping important websites open throughout the day, restoring previous sessions can save time and help you continue exactly where you left off. To get started, open Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, look toward the top right corner of the window and locate the Application menu icon. Click on this menu to open Firefox's main Settings and Options panel. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will open the browser's configuration page where you can customize various Firefox features and behaviors. Once you're inside the Settings page, remain on the General section if it isn't already selected. Scroll through the General settings until you reach the Startup area. This section controls how Firefox behaves whenever it launches. Here you'll find an option labeled Open Previous Windows and Tabs. Enable this setting by checking the box next to it. Once the option is selected, Firefox will be configured to automatically reopen your previous browsing session whenever the browser starts again. This includes the tabs and windows that were open before Firefox was closed. With this setting enabled, if you intentionally close Firefox and later reopen it, your previously opened tabs should automatically reappear. The same benefit can often apply after an unexpected browser crash, allowing you to quickly return to your work without manually reopening every website. This simple setting can make a significant difference in your daily browsing experience, especially if you frequently work across multiple websites. It helps reduce interruptions, improves productivity, and provides peace of mind knowing that your open tabs are less likely to be lost. Once you've enabled the option, there's nothing else you need to configure. Firefox will handle the restoration process automatically whenever applicable. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.